everybody, welcome to my Fluid Art Studio. Today my idea will be working on a negative edge, doing a pour but not going completely to the bottom. It'll just be midway. The color scheme will be in greens with a little gold, and there's various shades of greens. I'm loving the pearl from Arteza. These are pretty colors. I started layering the different shades of green with gold and white, keeping in mind I wanted to do a straight pour and leaving that negative edge. I really liked the shades of greens used, the pearl Arteza greens, but it just didn't turn out right to me. Here, take a look. Hindsight, this was too much paint for a negative edge. I'm at a point during the stretching that I know I had too much paint. So I thought maybe I should just let all of the paint drip off. But then there's this white spot that keeps staring at me. And then those drips happened. So as I start to stretch out the second time, the colors are just not right because I did not use all of the Arteza pearls as I did before. And these colors are just not jamming together for me. this third try, I think I got something. Using the open cup funnel pour cup, it's easy to manipulate and move to the area where you want your paints to flow. This works better for me, and I love the color combinations. I really like how this is turning out. It reminds me of the rainbow sherbet. Those colors are gorgeous. When I started this negative edge pour, I didn't know quite what I wanted to do. I was not having a good day with pouring, but I'm glad the last one worked. I even spilled the water on the painting, but that's fixable. Third time is the charm. Thank you for joining me today in my fluid art studio. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You just gotta keep trying. Later.